Sound of Z is Z, Z. Well done! You did a very good job. Now, open up page number 4 and let us read the poem together. Let's see how the letters of the alphabet and their sounds can make new words. So, let's read the poem together. A is for apple. B is for ball. K is for cat. D is for doll. E is for elephant. P is for fat. G is for girl. H is for hat. I is for igloo. J is for jam. K is for kitten. L is for lamb. M is for mother. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for pest. Q is for quilt. R is for rain. S is for sky. T is for train. A is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for water. X is for X-ray scan. Y is for yo-yo. And Z is for zoo. I know the alphabet, and so do you. Now, the learning key here was that this poem shows all the letters of the alphabet. Now, at the end, we have an activity to do. What you have to do is think of more words beginning with the letters of the alphabet and write them down. For example, in the poem we read that A is for apple. Now think and make a new word with the letter A. Similarly, do it with all the letters of the alphabet. Thank you.